How to delete Faceit account. First things first is launch your Faceit application and make sure and double check that you're currently logged in to the account that you want to be deleted. And also keep in mind that once this process is confirmed and completed, this is not going to be irreversible. So you just have to make sure that you're doing the right decision. Now once you log in, all you have to do at the top left hand corner of your screen, you should see the Faceit logo. Tap on that, and then in here, just simply tap the gear icon at the top right portion, and then from settings, just go into your account. Then all the way to the bottom on the next page, you should be able to see delete account. Simply tap on delete account. You will be asked that your account will be permanently deleted once the process is done. Just simply input your current password and then just hit on confirm. And that is how you delete your Faceit account.